Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, I'm going to show you this right here. This is the Mercury Innovations Astronaut Galaxy Light. So I've been showcasing this brand right here a lot. It's from Walmart, Mercury Innovations, and they do come up with very unique products. Okay, so this is what you get right here. So you do get a warning there. There's a laser light, so don't aim this at your face. It's gonna damage your eyes. And you get a remote. Batteries are included. And you get a power cord. And by the way, I did pay for this out of pocket. So there's been a recent trend on YouTube where people don't like reviewing things that they got for free, or they have some sort of incentive. So everything in my channel, nothing is what is it called, syndicated. I don't get any money every time you click on something or you buy something. I do occasionally get free things, and while I would rather pay for things and review them, if I get them for free, I'm just gonna review them anyway, because it makes no sense to go and buy it again just to review it. So I try to be as objective as possible. And what can I say? I do the best I can. So let's power this on. So you are going to need an adapter like this. It does not come with this. This is a Nokia adapter, so get your own because it does not come with it. Plug it in. And this is awkward. It goes on the top like that. That doesn't make too much sense. I wish it would go down here, but I guess it's not terrible. So already I can see on the wall the lights, and they're very bright, so that means it's a laser for sure. So let me turn off the lights. Okay, so this is one of those things that it looks a lot better in person than you see it on the camera. So you got these 6 buttons right here, so we're gonna go through them and see what happens. And then you got some music. The light will react to the music. And you have the LED laser. We're gonna find out what that means. So let's start with that LED laser. So that lets you decide whether you want just the nebula. Turn that off. Just the nebula, just the stars, or a mixture of both. So now let's see colors 1 through 7 and see what that does. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's see color 1. That's color 1. 2. So 2 is green stars and the nebula. 3. The green stars and the nebula is red. So that one actually looks kind of nice. Very nice. 4. So the nebula is both green and blue. And the stars are always green. I think the stars will never be any other color than green. I'm not sure. That's 5. So now the stars are also green. And the nebula is green and red. 6. The stars are green and the nebula is red and blue. Last one, 7. The stars are green and the nebula is flashing. So I would say that I like all of them except this last one. I don't understand the flashing, because nothing in this heavens, nothing in the universe would flash like this. So this one's unrealistic. Okay, So we talked about the colors 1 through 7. So now let's look at rotate, minus, and rotate plus. So I press rotate minus and it's not doing anything. Let's do rotate plus. Now it's doing something. Let's rotate plus. So I guess that's the speed. Wow, you can control the speed of the rotation. Okay, so rotate, minus, and plus, all it does is control the speed of the nebula. As you can see right here. That's on fast. But of course you can slow it down if you want. Or you can even make it stationary. So it's nice. And to better show that, I'm going to turn off the stars. So right there you can see the speed. So let me show other colors. So yeah, you can of course slow it down or stop it. So let me turn on the stars. Okay, so the next thing I want to take a look at is the music mode. So let's click on that. So that's interesting. So the music mode will react to your clapping, or it will react to the music. So you got several music modes. You got, I think, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's look at 1. Let's look at 2. 3. And of course 4. There's not a lot of difference between the music modes, so let me turn it off. And I think that's it. Okay, so I think I've demonstrated everything as far as the functions. Now, I know a lot of people are going to have the question, does this cover the entire bedroom? So let's find out. Let's see if it'll do that. And the answer is, for the most part, yes. Like right now, for example, I'm pointing it up, and most of the ceiling, almost all of the ceiling is covered in stars, and then a lot of the walls, and I can see even at the floor, I can see a lot of it, a lot of the stars. And so let's play some of these, and let's change the speed of the nebula, and let's see some of the other colors. I like the red better than, although this green is nice. Let's see that one. Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and overall I think this is a great device for both grown-ups and children, and I think there's no major flaws with it. You can pivot it, you can move it any direction. I think it's great. It's mostly a toy. It's not a scientific device. It's not like this one right here where it shows you where the stars really are. So this is more than a toy. But in general, I do recommend it. I would give it a 5 stars out of 5 given the price. I think I paid about $20 for it. So I'll put the price on the screen just to be accurate. I got it from Walmart, and it's very quiet. I can't hear the motor or anything in there. And it's a lot more beautiful in person than it is on TV, than it is on YouTube. You're watching it on YouTube, of course, and it's definitely a lot more impressive in person. Once you get it, you're gonna like it. The camera distorts the colors a lot. In any case, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and have a great day.